Welcome back to DigiBuddy. In today's video, I will show you how you can install Trollstore 2 without jailbreak and without using a computer. Let's start the process first of all. You need to download the Trollstore XIPA file from their official GitHub page. I will put the link in the description. Trollstore X is a universal Trollstore installer. It focuses on being extremely reliable and easy to use. It is also very fast, and being able to install Trollstore and its persistence helper in a matter of seconds on the latest devices once Trollstore XIPA file. Download it now. Simply open Safari and open this web page. Then hit on Download DNS Profile. Then hit Allow to download the profile. Now, go back to Settings and install the downloaded profile. Now open the installed profile app on your home screen. And then hit on e-sign certificate. And then save it in your download files. Now open the installed profile app again. And then hit one of the link to install e-sign app. I always use Aldo Group link. It always worked for me if one link don't work. You can try other different links to install e-sign app. Once e-sign app installed successfully, now open Settings and then open General. Then open VPN and Device Management. Then simply open your Aldo Group link. And then trust the app to use e-sign app in your iPhone. Now open the e-sign app and then hit three dots on top. Then hit on Import. And then select the e-sign certificate we have downloaded earlier. Now hit on e-sign certificate and then select Unzip. Now open the e-sign Unzip certificate folder. And look for your certificate. Just make sure use the same name certificate you have downloaded the e-sign app earlier. I have used the Aldo Group link, so I will select the Aldo Group certificate. Then just hit Import Certificate Management. Once the certificate imported successfully, now go back and hit three dots again. And then hit Import. Now select the Trollstore XIPA file we have downloaded earlier. Once Trollstore XIPA file imported successfully, now hit on Apps and then hit on Trollstore X app. And then hit on Signature and then hit Signature again. Then simply hit Install to install Trollstore X app in your iPhone. Once Trollstore X installed in your iPhone, simply open the app and then hit on Trollstore. Now wait for Trollstore app to install Trollstore in your device. If it asks for persistence helper, then select Tips. There we go. As you can see, Trollstore is installed and working properly in our iPhone. Trollstore 2 is a reliable and permanent IPA installer, designed to support various iOS versions. including iOS 14.0, 15.0 to 16.61, and iOS 17.0. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe.